Welcome to all of you. Myself Dr. B.S. Misra. Today I am discussing on topic stress, which is the part of the organizational behavior. Be a second semester students. Welcome to all of you. Then primarily we think about the what is the stress. Stress refers to the feeling, consciousness, discrimination of intelligence, decreased capacity. This stress gives effects on human anatomy, human physiology, human intelligence, human behavior, human attitudes. So there are effects on human body. We are discussing around the organizational climate, around the general concept of the human behavior. So, number one, effect on physiological effects, psychological effect, and behavioral effects. Stress refers to the sense of intelligence, degree of intelligence. I am not discussing about the intelligence concept of the human body, yes, but discrimination, this decreasement and increasement impact and effect on human mind, human behavior, human psychology, human attitude, human perception, human power of decision making, liable to the intelligence concept. This one is the apexism, and after more than the extraordinary. 140 IQ refers to the intelligent. Intelligent means refers to the genius people. So genius, why I am discussing about the intelligent concept, because stress discriminate the power of mind's intelligence, power of physical intelligence, power of the mental. So we can say psycho, mental and physical. Psycho, mental and physical discrimination. Different types of dimension of discrimination. This one is the different. So there are two types: acute and chronic. Acute means short term feelings. I will get feeling, consciousness, intelligence, decision making power, and the capacity, physical capacity, mental capacity. These are there. The acute refers to the if feeling, short term feeling. Short-term feelings and change your mood. Change your mood. Long-term feeling, long-term change means diversion of your ideology. Most refers to the short-term, like that you take a fragrance from a rose, then your mood is changed. You are moving around the neat and clean and healthy, wealthy environment, then your mood change. Then your degree of stress change. This changing phenomena refers to the mental phenomena and the physical relaxation. If you refresh your psycho mental status, then you physically fit, and then your psychological perception change. So habit to initially intelligence to habit, person's intelligence, learning capacity plus attitudes, perception plus behavior. And this behavior refers to the habit. Psychology-based physical phenomena. Psychology-based physical phenomena refers to the habit, and this one denotes to the behavior. This denotes to the behavior. If high intelligence peoples, high IQ peoples work positive, then the result is positive. Work negative, then this one is the destruction. This one is destruction in context of the self, in context of the social, in concept of the society. So, psychology, one man who had the bearing negative psychology turned to n number of people's negative. One person who had the positive psychology turns to the n number of people's negative. So psychologically, this one is organizational form, culture. For the culture, climate. These positivity and negativity change to the organizational climate. Organizational, and after the climate, this one is the behavior. The character is a good conductor of the character. So is the culture. Culture, change of the culture. So general person who have the positive and negative, this change to the culture and climate of the organization. If we need to the better culture, so we unified the high intelligence people who had the power of innovation, who had the power of creativity, who changed the trend, who changed the system, who changed the manner, who changed the pattern, who changed the behavior, who changed the habits, having to the positive. So at the time of recruitment, we analyze psychology of the individual person, whatsoever decided by the psychological expert. This one is the feeling, long term and short term. Now, second one is the last people who have the less intelligence. These people need to the development, power of motives. Without the motivation, these people are not capable to change the system, decision, and improve in the innovation. So these are having the power of learning capacity and less the power of intelligence. And middle people having the also better for change. So those people who have the power of understanding, power of learning, power of the learning capacity, also according to the administration. Administration means administration change their psychology according to the requirement. If you change an astronaut and ready his mentally prepared to him, if they see a marine and the mines peoples who are not ready for the work there in the sky, in the sea, these are also the psychological modification, psychological motivation, and these psychological motivation refers to the behavioral changing. So these patterns, feelings tends to the behavior according to the system of changing. Organizational requirement is only best employee who don't discriminate the system of administration and don't opt the negativity by the environment. Negativity of the environment means power of analysis. Power of analysis of the human being depends on the intelligence, and these intelligence refers to the sense of utilization, means mental status, means the perception, means the attitudes, changing of the attitudes, means the changing of the behavior of the human beings. So chronicle phenomena which is adopted by the human being by the habit, by changing to the attitudes, is long term taking for the removing of these types of the attitudes, and short term means having less power of motivation, means the development of, means the conversion to according to the requirement. So stress produce discrimination of feelings, moods, intelligence, of human being. Initially, like that, this one is the general standard of human being, and here start to the job responsibility. This one is the also normal condition. This one is the maximize plus 1 degree stress. This one is the plus 3 degree stress, and this one is the optimum. Initial normal condition, people's working as a normal intelligence, normal responsibility, and the normal accountability. Whenever we increase their responsibility, this one is the turn to stress, because habit, attitudes, and behave under the uniform. If a man change their uniform, means like to these standard to that standard, this one is unbehaving, and after the improvement of this one is the also unbehaving, and after that the apex of this one is the disorder, complete disorder of the human being. Primarily, this one is the physical utilization. No problem here. Physical plus mental is maximum, means bifocal, physical and mental, bifocal stress. And third one is psychological changes, continuation of the disorder, environment of the continuation of the disorder of the physical and mental status. This one is the also the negative phase for the human being, and the unsurviving place on the optimum. This one is the optimum, means here is no sense of consciousness in the optimum phase of the stress. He had no power of mind for the any types of justification, any types of description, any types of the explanation, any types of the decision making. And after that, the coping system, we normally step by step minimize the degree of stress. Which types of distress? Initially, this is alarm stage, growth, and the maximum. So these are the three stages. Number one, alarm, and alarm to resistance. These phases are classified to the status of the workers, status of the human being, status of the administration and administrative representative, are the analysis of the mind, analysis of the power. How it affect to the human being. Organizational implies in the organizational and socio-behavioral culture. The number one, individual stress, group, organizational, and the social. So characteristics of the intelligence, those people who have the apexism of the intelligence, they are involved more and more time, more and more mind, according to their own interest, according to their own subject. So the maximum utilization of time, mind, and power individually own high. So these peoples are not time to the others, means these are the unsocial. These develop unsocial for himself, because he have no mind, he have no power, we have no time to share, to discuss, to complain, explain to others. They are unified phenomena. And the less intelligence peoples, he had the low intelligence, he had the low capacity, low learning capacity, low decision maker power. Low decision making powers means always they want to help from others. Means sense of listening, sense of learning skills from the others peoples. Means maximization of the skill, maximization of the learning capacity by the other peoples, and this one is the by the self. So group behavior is more than less intelligence, and group behavior is the minimum to the high intelligence people. So contribution in the innovation, high intelligent people is maximum. So the innovative phenomena also the stressful plus own psychological, own attitude, own interest area. So this one is not create the stress. This one is the distress. And these people having the less power, they improve the socio-behavioral phenomena, socio-behavioral functions. And these groups, if high intelligence constitute a group, constitute organization, so absence of socio-behavioral attraction among the people, this one is the reason, because these types of mind, these types of system are only discussed to the relevant matters. So maximization of histories is possible maximum under the high intelligence. And the low intelligence people, they also discuss to each other beyond the topic, relevant, that are negative relevant, positive relevant, different types of dimensions. So the diversion of intelligence divert to high intelligence to low intelligence